Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to start our revision of spelling rules from spelling rule 9 to spelling rule 13. As you know that in previous videos we have revised the rest of the rules which are from rule number spelling rule 1 to 8, and before starting our today's lesson, let me tell you that first we are going to revise the rule, and after that I'll show you some a small test and you will try to solve it with me. Yes, so let's start revision. So this is spelling rule 9 and it is 111 rule. Words with one syllable and one vowel followed by one consonant must double the last letter before adding an ending that start with vowel sound. Yes, as you can see in the examples also that it is the rule 111. A word having one syllable, one vowel sound followed by one consonant, double the last letter before adding an ending that start with vowel sound. So let's go to the next one. Now look at the next one is spelling rule 10 and it is rule 211. The rule words, this word has two syllables where the stress is on the second syllable, and it has one vowel followed by one consonant, double the last letter before starting before adding an ending which start with vowel sound. Is that clear? As you can see in the examples also, it has two syllables, one vowel sound followed by one consonant, double the last letter before adding an ending that start with vowel sound. So that will be spelling rule 10. Spelling rule 9 is rule 111 and that is 211. Is that clear? So now let's have a look at the rule spelling rule 11. Yes, now spelling rule 11 tells us that drop the final magic key before adding an ending that begins with a vowel. Is that clear? As you can see in the examples also, before adding an ending that start with vowel sound, and we have to drop the final magic key before adding an ending. Is that clear? Now look have a look at the 12 one. Spelling rule 12 tells us that I before E say E and E before I say A except after C. Is that clear? It's clear from the examples also, and you can revise examples before starting your test. Okay, you can pause the video and revise your rules before starting the test. Okay, now let's have a look at the last one. Yes, now spelling rule 13 tells us that sh is used at the beginning or end of a word or at the end of a syllable except for the ending ship. Is that clear? It can come at the beginning, at the end, except for the word ship. Is that clear? So that's all. Now let's have a look at our test. And before that, what you have to do, beta, you can pause the video here. You just have to revise your all rules from spelling rule 9 to 13 before starting or before attempting your test, so that it will be helpful for you. Spelling rules are really important to improve your vocabulary, to improve your spelling skills, learning skill. This is very important. You have to revise and learn the rules. Is that clear? This book not only helps you to improve your writing but also helps you to improve your learning skill. So you have to revise before starting your test. Okay, now let's have a look at our test. As I told you that you will revise it before starting your test. So look at the first one. So what is the first one is boring. So remember, I've told you a trick about this word. Yes, I have told you when we have a word जिसका रूट वर्ड के लास्ट में मैजिक की आए और मैजिक की को हटाने के बाद हम उसमें ऐड कर दें वाउल एंडिंग, वाउल से स्टार्ट होने वाली एंडिंग, तो दैट इज़ रूल नंबर, यस इट इज़ बोरिंग इज़ spelling rule 11. Yes, it's spelling rule 11. Drop the final magic key before adding an ending that begins with a vowel. Yes. Now let's have a look at the next one is upsetting. Upsetting. So it It may have come to your mind. Yes, it's spelling rule 10. Yes, which is spelling rule 211, which is spelling rule 10. A word having two syllable, one vowel sound followed by two consonant, double the last letter before adding and ending. We start with vowel sound. Let me repeat it one more time. A word having two syllable, one vowel followed by one consonant, double the last letter before adding and ending, with start with vowel sound. Yes, so that is spelling rule 10, which is also called 211. Is that clear? So now let's have a look at the next one is, yes, and I have told you about a word which start with sh. It may come at the end or it can come at the start. So this is spelling rule 13, sharp, because it has sh sound. Is that clear? Now let's have a look at the next one is peace. Yes, peace. Yes, it's spelling rule 12, which says I before E say E. Is that clear? So it's spelling rule 12. It has two parts. I am telling you only first one because it's belong to I say E before I before E say E. Yes. Now let's have a look at the next one is rubbish. Rubbish. Yes, it's our spelling rule 9, which is also called rule 111. Yes, a word having, अगर हम इसके root word को देखें, that is rub. A word having one syllable, one vowel followed by one consonant, double the last letter before adding and ending, will start with vowel sound. So that is spelling rule 9. Okay, now look at the next one is controlled and controlled. Yes. Once again we have spelling rule 10, which is 211. A word having two syllables, one vowel followed by one consonant, double the last letter before adding and ending, which start with vowel sound. Is that clear? So controlled is spelling rule 10. Now let's have a look at the next one is formatting. It's also really easy. Formatting. Yes, because it's also spelling rule 10. A word having two syllables one vowel sound followed by two consonant, double the last letter before adding and ending. Yes, a word having two syllables, one vowel, one consonant, double the last letter before adding and ending, will start with vowel sound. Is that clear? So now let's have a look at the next one is deceive. Yes, it's deceive. Yes, when you will pronounce the word, so it will be easy for you to guess the spelling rule. So that is, yes, spelling rule 12, which tells us that I before E say E and E before I say A, except after C. So here we have deceive. E is really clear when we pronounce this word. So that is spelling rule 12. Now look at the next one. Veil. Yes. So you have to guess. Yes, it's the spelling rule 12 again. Here we have I before E say, E before I say. Yes, I before E say E and E before I say A. So that is spelling rule 12. And here as I told you that deceive में E की साउंड इसलिए क्लियर आ रही है बेटा, हालांकि यहाँ भी E फर्स्ट आ रहा है, I बाद में आ रहा है, बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट एक्सेप्ट आफ्टर C, यहाँ C के बाद आ गया, दैट्स वाई इसमें हम लोग, दैट इज स्पेलिंग रूल 12. इज दैट क्लियर? डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज ओवर दिस वर्ड. ओके, So now let's have a look at the next one. Fatter. And this whale is also spelling rule 12 because it's the second part of the same rule, which tells us that I before E say A. Is that clear? Whale. Okay, now look at the next one is fatter. Yes, it's spelling rule 9. Yes, now because it's spelling rule 111, a word having one syllable, one vowel followed by one consonant, double the last letter before adding and ending, will start with vowel. Okay, next one is caring. Yes, it's also really easy. Spelling rule 11. Yes, where we have to drop the final magic key before adding and ending, we start with vowel sound. Okay, now look at the last one, is also really easy. Fresh. Yes, and it's really clear when we pronounce the word, so it will be easy for us to guess. It's spelling rule 13. Yes. Now students, will meet inshallah in next lesson. What you have to do, beta, these spelling rules are really important. You have to keep them memorizing and revise them. Don't forget them. We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.